To make the expandable fabric, you can use beads of any shape, size, or material. Here I have a variety of wooden beads and silicone beads. In this video, I'm going to be using 20mm silicone beads and a 1mm plastic thread, which has a very high durability. You can also use 0.3mm fishing line, which is pictured here, or any thread that is accessible to you. To start the first row, thread 4 beads onto the string and pass both ends of the string through the last bead, going opposite directions. For step 3, add 1 bead to one side of the string, and then add 2 beads to the other side of the string. Take the string from the side with 1 bead and pass it through the opposite side of the second bead on the other string. On step 4, we're going to be turning to the right and working down the side of the row that we just finished. So to do this, take the left string and add 3 beads to it, and then take the right string and pass it through the opposite end of the last bead that you strung on the left string. This will cause both strings to come out the side of the right of our work. On step 5, we're going to be turning the work to start working down. So you have a string coming out from the top and the bottom of the previous bead. So we're going to string 3 beads onto the top string, and then we're going to pass the bottom string through the opposite end of the last bead that we string, the 3rd bead. And then we're going to have a left and a right string coming out of the bottom there after we pull it tight, and we're going to pass the left string through the bead under it in the row that we just completed. For step 6, string 1 bead onto each end of the string and then pass the right string through the left bead. Then pass the string through the next bead along the side of the row that we've already completed. We're going to turn the work to the right again. So add 1 bead to each side of the string and then pass the left string through the right bead. So here we are repeating steps 3 through 6. I sped it up so that you don't have to watch it again, but I'm just completing this square to use as a coaster. You can also use it as a place to put your hand soap in the bathroom. It doesn't slip and it has good drainage, and you can make this as long as you want. You don't have to tie it off here, but I will. And I am just going to use a triple knot, but feel free to use any kind of knot that you feel the most comfortable doing. A fisherman's knot also works with this thread, so there you go.